itong si Ann, Bea, Kat, and Dottie. And they inherited 1 hectare agri-land and 200 square meter lot with house. The problem now is that they are in disagreement. Ito na yung tanong natin kanina. The three of them wants to sell, pero sabi ni Ann, ayoko. Or, hindi naman nila ibebenta talaga lahat, pero hindi nila alam paano hatiin. Nagkakagulo ba? Mayroong mga issues that would say that, sabi ni Ann, I should own the 1 hectare land, tapos sa inyo na yung 200 square meter lot with house. Bakit naman ganun? Sabi ni Bea, Kat, and Dottie. Kasi ako nag-alaga sa parents bago sila namatay. Kayo, saan man kayo? Busy kayo sa mga lakwatsa ninyo. Sabi naman ni Dottie, no, I am the eldest. Under tradition, ako dapat ang mag-choose kung anong ownership ko. Tsaka hindi dapat ibenta yung share. Maraming issue. Sabi niya, oh no, I am the bunso. Sabihin naman ni Bea. I should be the one to be given that, because ako ang favorite ni Papa at ni Mama. Marami pong mga issues that we really need to discuss and understand. What is good? What is fascinating about this real estate transaction is that each and every transaction is a different transaction. Iba-ibang facts, iba-ibang issues, although ultimately with one same goal is either to own the property, to sell the property later on, to mortgage, to lease, etc., etc. Pero iba-ibang facts, no? Because iba-ibang characters and iba-ibang tao ang kausap natin. Alright, so they are in disagreement. Wala tayong choice but to go to court and file judicial settlement and judicial partition. Sabi nga nila, as much as possible, iwasan po daw natin yung mag-file ng judicial settlement and judicial partition. Kasi magkakaroon ng bagong heirs. Yung abogado, si malaki ang singil. Joke lang ha. Alright. Now, genetic engineer ang kailangan pa rin. So what will the court do is to appoint a commissioner. Ang court na ang mag-appoint ng commissioner. And the commissioner will be required to, of course, subdivide the property into 4 equal shares. Kasi 4 man sila. Tapos, nandiyan na, si Lot 1, Lot 2, Lot 3, and Lot 4, all at tag 2,500 square meters each. This is a divisible property and therefore can be subdivided. The question is, nasabit na ngayon ng genetic engineer support. Your Honor, ito na po yung subdivision plan. And I'm already going to send it to the Bureau of Lands, Land Management Services for approval nitong itong subdivision, subdivided lots ng subdivision plan. Sabi ng court, okay, tawag niya sila Ann, Bea, Kat, and Dottie. Oh, baka gusto niyo magpili kung saan lang sa inyo dyan. Baka pwede ito man lang ipag-agrihan ninyo kung saan man lang sa inyo dyan. Sabi niya, ay gusto ko yung lot 1. Lahat gusto sa lot 1. Bakit? Kasi katabi ng SM, mas maganda ang value. Ay, hindi akin yan kasi akong bunso. No, I'm the eldest. Sabi niya, no, I'm the favorite. Hindi, ako nag-take care kila mama at papa. Gumastos ako. Kayo wala kayong pakialam. Yun. So kamot ang ulo ng judge. Anong ba gagawin niya? Tao lang. Wala namang batas na nagbibigay ng discretion sa judge na to choose who among them. Wala ring batas na nagsasabi na kapag favorite ka, pag eldest ka, pag bunso ka, or ikaw nag-alaga, is that ikaw ang may priority sa pag-choose ng area. Parang first choice ka. Hindi, walang ganun eh. So, ang gagawin po ng judge, hindi kayo magkaintindihan. O ito, gagawin natin. Take note. Yun. Magra-raffle po. Yes, that's true. Raffle ang gagawin. Kasi, wala eh. Walang choice. How could the judge determine kung kanino mabilong si Lot 1 na pinag-aagawan nila dahil tabi nga ng isang malaking establishment at mahal ang value. So, the moment ma-determine after raffle kung sino may-ari. For example, lot 1 went to Ann, lot 2 went to Bea, lot 3 went to Kat, and lot 4 went to Dottie. And then, magkakaroon din ng kanya-kanyang technical description. Yan ang mangyayari. So, magkakaroon ng order and judge for that particular purpose, that in this particular case, yun na ang partition nila, and later on will be the subject of distribution. Ito, sandali pala, yung narrative technical descriptions, kunin din natin sa geodetic engineer pa rin yan. Now, how about dun sa indivisible property na house? Yan. Paano ibenta? Sabihin naman ni Judge, sandali, pwede ba kayong maging co-ownership niyan? Kahit konting respeto na lang sa magulang nyo, mag-co-owner na lang ganyan, gawin yung ancestral home. Ano ba? Kasi the judge could also mediate. Hindi naman yan sila mag-judge kung what is fair, reasonable, and equitable. They could also mediate for the best interest of the parties, as long as they agree. And it is not against public policy, morals, contrary to law, or customs. Pwede yan. So sige, pag-usapan nyo, baka pwede kayo. Sabi naman ni Ann, hindi, dapat akin lang yan nga. Kasi judge, ako ang nag-take care. Wala nga pong batas na nagsasabi ng ganyan. Either you own that in common or you donate that to one person. Unless si Bea, si Kat, tsaka si Dottie, sabi, sige, bibigyan namin yung kay Ann, at execute tayo ng conveyance or donation in favor of Ann. But suppose they would not agree because they want also to have a share or a piece of the cake. Paano yan? So, left with no choice, ang gagawin ng judge, ganon, hindi na naman kayo magkaintindihan, itong gagawin natin, benta natin para ang process dyan, paghahatian ninyo. Diyan po. So, ang mangyayari niyan is that pwede kayo mag-enter into sales agreement dito sa bagay nito into indivisible house. As long as, remember that the decision on the judicial settlement and judicial partition of the property has become final and executory. No appeal made, no motion for reconsideration, naglapse na sa 15 days, and yun na, meron ng entry of judgment, and therefore, you could come in and say, can I buy that? Because yan process to i-divide, okay? Tapos can I buy one of the lots dun sa divisible area? And that is how, no? Kaya, tanong ng mga kaibigan ko ng mga brokers, they said, bay, ayaw magbenta ng isa. Sabi ko, di mag-judicial partition, kaya push mo ang issue ng judicial settlement and judicial partition. Pero the very important thing is that invite them for a conference. Or kung ikaw po ang buyer, invite them for a conference. Maybe in front of a lawyer, sa lawyer ninyo. Usapan ninyo doon, sabi nyo, pwede pag-usapan. Kasi i-explain din ng lawyer, alam nyo, ang kakahinatnan po, the same lang po. Sa extrajudicial settlement at sa judicial settlement. Pag hindi ko po kayo magkakaintindihan kung kanino, paano nyo pag-partition ng property, rarapol din niya ng court. Tapos yung indivisible property, i-force din yan siya to sell para ang proceeds niyan is paghahatian ninyo. Ganon lang din po yun. So it's better po yung extrajudicial kasi hindi na tayo magpunta sa korte. Mapag-usapan natin. Unlike doon sa judicial is mag-hire pa kayo ng lawyers. Kaya kung 4 kayo disagreement, nag-iisa-isa kayong lawyers. So 4 kayo na heir, 4 na lawyers, parang 4 din na heirs ang nadagdag. So, ganun po, no? So, we have to know all these things. Kaya sabi natin is that you have to conduct due diligence. No? It is the investigation or exercise of care that a buyer is normally expected to do before entering into a real estate transaction with the seller. Take note po, this kind of seller, itong heirs, remember that I am assuming here in this video that they are all the heirs. Iba po yung usapan kapag hindi na-declare lahat ng heirs. Kasi itong apat na ito, sa lahat ng disagreement nila, isa lang ang agreement nila, hindi natin isali yung illegitimate child doon ni Papa. Kasi para tayo lang maghahati nito. Yan ang delikado because meron palang omitted heir o merong utang, deprived creditor yon. So, yun po ang pagkakaingatan nyo. Kasi nga, baka kasi ma-question ang sale transaction and it can be invalidated later on. Don't worry, we will be discussing that extensively in a separate video lecture kasi medyo masalimuot ang issues na yun. No? Kasi maraming pwedeng magreklamo, yung deprived creditor, yung omitted heir. Pag-usapan natin yun. Okay? So, sa due diligence natin, we have already discussed the proof of ownership. Tapos na tayo sa know how to verify a land title. Itong know the seller, ito yung guide pa rin natin na pinag-usapan. Dami pa kasing mga issues dito kung the kind of sellers, no? And conduct ocular inspection, and know the taxes and legal expenses, and find a real notary public. So, next time, we will be discussing still under guide number 3, but this time, it's very interesting sa mga live-in partners na naman tayo. Okay? So, again, I would like to say thank you and muchas gracias and hope to see you again some other time. Bye!
Dalawang taon po ang binibigay ng batas doon. Yun nga po yung